Texas has the highest rate of uninsured people in America. About 1/4 of us have no health insurance. Some slip through the cracks of government programs that could provide help. Others say they simply can't afford it. And still others, especially younger folks, decide to roll the dice and not pay for it. But that can have disastrous consequences, as a 19-year-old Pflugerville woman found out.
She was on the stairs like this, and I came up to her and I shook her, and she just slumped over.
LaToya Blue's 19-year-old daughter Ashley was seemingly in good health when she went down in the staircase one day with a heart attack. EMS jolted her back to life. Now she has a defibrillator implant. She did not have insurance. When you see the bills topping over $200,000, what do you think?
What in the world are we going to do to get that money? It's horrible, horrible.
$200,000 and climbing. St. David says it will forego most of that, but the bills are still high. Ashley had missed the insurance enrollment window at her new Whataburger job, and she did not qualify for her mom's Medicare coverage.
I'm disabled.
But
yes.
She's not covered through that?
No. No, not at all. So she's not able to receive Medicaid because she's over 18, not able to receive CHIP because she lives here at home. So all of the government assistance is not available to us.
You could have gone out and gotten your own independent insurance. Was that a financial decision that I can't afford this?
I couldn't afford it, no.
There's a lesson here. Groups like Torch, the Texas Organization of Rural and Community Hospitals, will tell you everyone should have at least minimal coverage in case the worst happens.
They should have a bare minimum, what we call catastrophic care, some sort of minimal coverage that will at least let them get to the doctor, cover them in case of a major emergency or a serious illness.
Catastrophic coverage offers low, affordable premiums, but high deductibles. You may pay thousands in an emergency, but you won't get wiped out. A lesson sadly learned by a Pflugerville family.
Make the sacrifice. If that means you don't get to eat out a couple of nights a week, make the sacrifice. Do whatever you can, whatever sacrifice you can. Find some sort of insurance, because today's not promised to anyone.
What's the lesson here for young people who aren't covered?
I feel like everyone should get covered, and I don't know, for young people, I just feel like it could have happened to anyone.
Yes, it can. Taking a closer look at the problem of the uninsured, while the rate of people with no coverage nationally is around 17%, in Texas it's 25%. Poverty, part of the problem. Leading cause of no coverage, families under the poverty line who just can't afford it. Hispanics are less likely to have insurance than others, so are young adults ages 19 to 34. Also, families where the adults work only part-time or in a seasonal portion of the year. And this impacts everyone, since the uninsured usually go to the emergency room. Americans made 137 million visits to ER last year. That puts a strain on the system and a burden on taxpayers. And did you know medical bills are the leading cause of bankruptcy in this country, affecting 2 million Americans a year?